Ever sent money to a friend and gotten hit with a surprise fee? Or maybe struggled with slow bank transfers that leave you hanging? These financial frustrations are all too real, especially in regions with complex banking systems. That's where Mamopay comes in. This Dubai-based fintech startup aims to revolutionize peer-to-peer, P2P, payments, making sending and receiving money a breeze. But have you ever wondered who's the brainchild behind this innovative platform? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the founders of Mamopay, the masterminds transforming the way people manage their money. From Google to fintech, the Mamopay origin story. Mamopay's story starts not in a traditional finance firm, but in the heart of Silicon Valley. Our journey begins with two former Google employees, Asim Janjua and Imad Garazeddine. These tech veterans weren't satisfied with the status quo, particularly the challenges faced in sending and receiving money in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, region. Imagine splitting a bill with friends at a restaurant or needing to send quick support to family back home. Traditional banking systems often make these simple transactions slow and expensive. Fueled by a desire to make finance more accessible and efficient, Janjua and Garazeddine decided to take action. Building a team, the trifecta of tech expertise. The Mamopay story doesn't stop at two. To truly revolutionize P2P payments, Janjua and Garazeddine knew they needed a powerhouse team. Enter Mohammed El Sadi, another bright mind with a passion for fintech. Together, this trio of former Google employees formed a formidable force, combining their tech expertise and entrepreneurial spirit. El Sadi at the helm, leading the Mamopay charge. Mohammed El Sadi emerged as the co-founder and CEO of Mamopay. His vision? To create a user-friendly P2P platform that eliminates the hassle and fees associated with traditional money transfers. El Sadi, along with Janjua and Garazeddine, conducted extensive research, understanding the pain points faced by individuals and businesses in the MENA region. Their findings were clear: a significant portion of the population struggled with slow and expensive money transfers. Armed with this knowledge, the Mamopay team set out to create a solution that was not only fast and convenient, but also free of hidden charges. Beyond P2P, the evolving vision of Mamopay. While Mamopay initially focused on P2P transactions, the ambitions of its founders extend far beyond. Their vision is to build a comprehensive financial platform that caters to both individual and business needs. Imagine splitting bills with friends seamlessly, instantly paying for goods and services at local shops, or even managing payroll for your small business, all through the Mamopay app. The Mamopay impact, transforming the financial landscape. The impact of Mamopay is already being felt across the MENA region. Their innovative approach has attracted significant investment, allowing them to expand their reach and refine their technology. With a growing user base and a team of passionate founders, Mamopay is well on its way to becoming a major player in the region's financial landscape. Looking ahead, the future of Mamopay. As Mamopay continues to evolve, one thing remains constant: the dedication of its founders to financial inclusion and user experience. We can expect to see them pushing the boundaries of fintech, offering new features and services that empower people to manage their money with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.